You can call him after. Dolly, on TV.
Good luck, sir.
You know this one.
Oh God. ऐसे कैसे प्रोफेसर मिल रहे हैं इस कॉलेज में? मैंने ये प्रोफेसर है पर इसके
Oh, the whole movie is there?
के बाद चौथा ट्रांसफर है ये समझे?
You saw this now, right?
जिसका नाम सर्च करके देख लो।
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ।
हाय एवरीवन, तो ये एक सिचुएशन था जो मैं ऑलमोस्ट पिछले 20 साल से अवॉइड करने की कोशिश कर रही थी। For those of you who don't know, I became an actress exactly 20 years ago. And for 20 years, I did a fab job of avoiding the situation where I would have to sit with my parents and watch my movies. So today, it just so happened that a couple of my movies are playing on TV. And I will be watching it with my parents, and they will give their very honest opinion about my talent. So I'm not very sure if this is the best idea, but अभी start तो हो गया है, so let's see how it goes.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ।
You came for this shoot?
Yeah, he's an army officer.
Correct. Ex.
Yeah. Ex-army.
You also came for one.
Yeah.
My nose doesn't look nice from this angle. I think I didn't do homework on how to play a piano. Well, my hand is doing too much acting.
That last one was
Last one, the music the editor came and told, "Ma'am, they mostly do something like this in the end."
Actually, I like this movie.
You saw it?
Yes, this movie is.
My understanding? Yeah, Malayalam. Any comprehension at all? That's all. Love happened after the slap and we got married. I always wanted to wear something like this for my real wedding. But then I wore it so many times in movies, I was satisfied after shooting.
Look like a Malayali girl.
Oh yeah. So that was the best part. In all the 4 southern states, I was told I look local.
Yeah, all separately.
Chennai, they said I look so Tamil. When I did here Modati Cinema, they said you look just like a Telugu girl. I'll put some other movie, no? It is because they find 3 dead bodies.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a boyfriend. He and I plan to kill husband. Husband is an ex-army, raw, whatever. Thoda. He's already poisoned our drink. I think it had. I'm not even sure if it came to the theaters. Wait, I offer him badam milk. Oh, I don't remember saying that. The dubbing artist did that. Yeah, there's a singer called Sunita. She dubbed for me in this movie. Ma, you understand any Telugu at all?
No, Telugu I don't. Like Tamil.
I forgot.
You know Hyderabad, right?
Hyderabad only. I still don't know what the scene was. I talk to the Jyotish and I get angry and I go.
Oh, hitting that Latu song.
Ma, I just knew I have to get upset and go. I was not very sure what he's saying. I still remember, I think a co-director was a guy called, Prasad IMAX.
This is IMAX, yeah.
I didn't even know why I'm slapping him. Because I was so stressed about dialogue. So actually, you know something, the Telugu movies that were literally like my acting school. Thank you to all my directors who, they didn't have choice, they had to be patient, I think. Evil, it's supposed to be evil stepmom. Oh. Wait, I'll put a song from Modati Cinema. Climax scene, no? My second movie is climax scene.
Yeah.
That Socha Na Tha ka remake. Ma, you came for this shooting also. We have a movie, we have a photo I think on the set.
Yeah?
I think she's the one girl will come now, sister-in-law sister. And she'll say, Acha, if you want to run away, you can actually. Initially they'll be upset, later they'll be so I think we have a picture.
Yeah, we have.
Dippy, mummy and I are sitting.
Right.
During the shoot of this only because I'm in this dress. And there was so much discussion because they said it's the climax scene and she's leaving her own mehendi or wedding, I think. So it was, Acha, we'll do Ghagra Choli, which has some traditional also and some whatever designer thing also.
North Indian influence.
Little bit, yes. That was quite.
Those coming there. Models come.
You know, we had an argument about this. Because I told like I'm running, why can't I wear sports shoes? Then I think they said continuity or something. You already ran in heels, now run in heels for the whole scene. That is when I learned about continuity. His father. Already parents are fought. Rishta almost gets pakka, then no, then both parents fight. This, oh god, this was such a long dialogue in one shot. Now I'm finding it very cute. That I found it so silly. He says that now if we go and ask her family, it will be insulted. Now that they ran away. So if parents have to talk, we should not go first. This was shot
Outskirts.
in a place called Kutralam. It's around, I think, 3 hours from Madurai. There's 3 hours.
Oh, Madurai. Yeah.
2 hours. And we used to do the first shot at 6:45. Acha, at least in movies, I have always come first in school. Bharat, wait, I'll show you the song. There is one shot in every song, no, where the hero will pinch the heroine's waist. And then he will kiss on the waist and there'll be a close-up of the navel on 70mm screen, okay? That we had to do. His head had to be here. And that was the only time my dad has come for shoot. Only time. And he had got some new handicam, extremely clear handicam. He's like, oh, come on kids, go. And the master comes and says, Bharat, 1, 2, 3, here kiss, 1, 2, 3. And then he's scratching one leg. He's like, please can you tell dad to go somewhere, I can't. The boys hated the scene then. My feet are burning, so he puts his hand and says, stand on my feet. So that time boys found it very too sappy. Now it seems for reels and all they're using it. That love should be like that, where you put hands in. Message to all the girls, if that boy didn't offer his hand for your feet, he doesn't love you. I think till you talk to me, I'm not standing. Tell me you love me. Tell me you like me.
Blackmailing.
That's all. Love established. And he had no clue how heavy I am. I looked kind of slim. He used to gym a lot.
No, bone pain.
He had to do this. So they didn't take the start because he slipped. They cut from there. And he carried me only once. Then they told, Acha, get down and start running.
We got to see him in the cave, no? And he picked you up to bring you down. He said, oh boy.
Hey, hang on. You have to see this. He's milking the cow in the river so that I can have a milk bath. Guys, I don't think Bollywood can make romance like this. It was 3 degrees.
Yeah?
January 2000. Get very cold. और उधर वो my makeup guy my Vijay, he got I think vodka or something. I couldn't move. It was very very cold and costumes were like this. And costumes his wife only did, huh? Supriya did. Mother, dance master told do whatever mudras you know. So after this and this I was lost. ये हो गया, खत्म सारे मुद्रा.
Nice pair.
Yeah. I felt let down because he didn't tell me he's going to gym. Nothing worse than when you turn up for a song and that co-star is looking fitter than you. For Fatehpur Sikri and Agra Palace or Agra Fort, I guess something is there. So guys, this was the first. Me being with my parents and getting reactions for all the movies I have done. This was also like a walk down memory lane. बहुत पिक्चर की स्टोरी मैं भूल चुकी थी, बहुत मैंने डायलॉग्स क्या बोले थे भूल चुकी थी. But this was so much fun. I think we will do this more often. Now I really want to know what your reaction is for the movies I've done. Please put it down on the comments below. I would love to read it. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.